Okay, let's unpack this one. We are diving straight into Reveal Rush. It's one of those mobile apps, right? Promises easy rewards.
Yeah, the premise is super tempting. Just play a simple game, scratch some digital cards, and, earn rewards.
Exactly. But our sources are suggesting maybe it's not quite the rewards platform it claims to be.
Mhm.
Maybe more like a trap.
That's the picture emerging.
So our mission for this deep dive is pretty straightforward. Figure out fast if Reveal Rush is legit for earning or if you're just kind of wasting your time.
And what's interesting right off the bat is the sources do confirm the game part. People find the actual scratch card mechanic, the core activity. They say it's fun and engaging.
Right, fun and engaging. That's how they hook you, I guess.
It seems like it. That enjoyment factor, it keeps people playing. Maybe past the point where they'd normally stop and ask questions.
Okay, so the game itself is fine, maybe even good, but people aren't just playing for fun. They expect those rewards. What about actually getting paid? That's the crucial bit.
Ah, yes. The reward system. That's where the sources paint a very different picture. Significant problems reported there.
Problems like
Getting your money out. This is really the core issue. The sources talk about um, high minimum withdrawal thresholds,
high minimums.
meaning you might scratch away and see, say, $5 in your account. Feels good, right. But then you find out you can't actually withdraw it until you hit maybe $300, $500.
Wow, seriously, that high?
Yeah, users report numbers like that, which makes it, and this is a direct quote from user reports, nearly impossible to cash out any earnings. For the average person, hitting that target is just, well, it's not going to happen.
So essentially, you're chasing a payout that's designed to be unreachable. It's like a carrot on a very, very long stick.
Pretty much a mathematically unreachable carrot for most.
Okay, so that's already looking pretty bad. Wasted time, false hope. But the sources mentioned something else too, didn't they? Something beyond just not getting paid.
They did. It shifts from just wasted time to potential risk. Data privacy concerns were raised.
Data privacy, how so?
Well, users noted the app collects sensitive information. Now, what sensitive means exactly can vary, but combine that with the fact that you're unlikely to ever get paid.
You start to wonder what the real transaction is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're spending your time, okay, maybe having a little fun scratching cards, but you're also potentially handing over personal data.
It's nothing tangible in return, just the illusion of maybe getting that big payout someday.
Right. It looks like a model where the app makes money from your engagement, maybe showing you ads and collecting your data,
Right.
rather than actually paying out significant rewards.
So putting it all together, the fun game, the impossible cash out, the data collection, what's the final verdict from the sources? Is it legit? Is it a scam?
The language used was pretty clear. Based on all these factors, especially the withdrawal issues and the data concerns, the conclusion is that Reveal Rush leans toward being a scam.
Leans toward a scam. Okay. But then the advice given was a bit softer. Something like, play it for fun if you like scratch cards.
Yeah, that might seem a bit contradictory at first glance.
Right. If it's basically a scam, why suggest playing at all?
I think it's pragmatic advice aimed at someone who genuinely enjoys that specific type of game mechanic. The key is the expectation.
Ah, okay. Manage your expectations.
Precisely. The advice is, if you really like digital scratch cards, fine, play it, but treat it purely as entertainment. The crucial part is, don't expect real money or reliable rewards. Set your financial expectation to zero.
Got it. Play for the scratches, not the riches, and be aware of the data side.
Exactly. The fun of the game itself doesn't justify the data risk if you're going in thinking you'll actually earn anything significant.
So if we step back and look at the bigger picture here, it makes you wonder, right? When does a game just being fun stop being a good enough reason to play, especially when you factor in hidden costs?
That's a really important question. That line between entertainment and, well, exploitation, where is it? Especially when you add in that secondary cost, like you said, the data collection, happening without the promised benefit, the money.
Yeah. Which leads to maybe a final thought for you, the listener, to sort of chew on. How often are these fun and engaging mechanics we see everywhere? How often are they maybe designed specifically to make us overlook the dodgy stuff?
Like the sky-high withdrawal limits or the sneaky data collection.
Exactly. Making it fun so you don't think too hard about the catch. Something to keep in mind next time an app promises easy cash just for playing.